Hi guys, and welcome to our Basic Bisaya channel. I'm Gary.
My name is Reancy, and in today's video, we will gonna learn some easy and basic conversational introductions in Bisaya.
If you're new to the channel, this is a perfect video to start with. You don't need to know any Bisaya prior to this. We're going to teach you some basic introductions, and we'll also give you some questions so you can practice what you've learned in the video. So stick around till the end. With that being said, let's jump straight in the video right now. The most basic greeting is the word hello or hi. And in Bisaya we use
Hello or hi.
exactly the same, guys. No Bisaya required. Filipinos will also use the English hello or hi. Next, we can ask them how they are. So the words how are you in Bisaya is
Kumusta ka? Kumusta ka?
Kumusta ka is how are you, and that is a formal way to ask. If you know the person well, you can shorten kumusta ka down to
Kumusta? Kumusta?
kumusta. So let's learn some ways how to answer that question. The most common way you'll hear is I'm okay. In Bisaya that is
Okay lang ko. Okay lang ko.
I'm okay is okay lang ko. You can actually shorten that slightly down to okay lang. I'm okay, okay lang. If you're not feeling too good, you could say I'm not okay. Translating that, we get
Dili ko okay. Dili ko okay.
I'm not okay, dili ko okay. If you don't know the person's name yet, then you can use what is your name.
In Bisaya, we say, Unsay imong pangalan? Unsay imong pangalan?
What is your name? Unsay imong pangalan? There are a couple of ways to say what is your name, so we're going to go through another two as well. So feel free to use any of these. You can also use
Unsay pangalan nimo? Unsay pangalan nimo?
Unsay pangalan nimo is another way, and an even shorter way is
Unsay ngalan nimo? Unsay ngalan nimo?
Unsay ngalan nimo. So if you get asked that question, guys, the way to respond is
Ako si, and you put your name. For example, ako si Reancy.
Ako si Reancy translates as I am Reancy. Our next introductory phrase you can use is where are you from?
In Bisaya, we say, Taga-asa ka? Taga-asa ka?
Where are you from? Taga asa ka. In this phrase, taga signifies the location. You can easily respond to this question by saying taga followed by the location of where you're from and then ko. So an example is
Taga-Pilipinas ko. Taga-Pilipinas ko.
taga Pilipinas ko. I am from the Philippines. Another common question you can ask is the age of someone. So the next phrase we're going to learn is how old are you?
In Bisaya, it is, Pilay imong edad? Pilay imong edad?
How old are you? Pilay imong edad? To respond to pilay imong edad, you can say your age followed by
Anyos nako. For example, we say, 34 anyos nako.
I am 34 years old. Filipinos regularly use English numbers, so that's why we have chosen to keep it simple and show you this way. So a similar question to the previous one is, when is your birthday?
Kanusa ang adlaw nimong natawhan? Kanusa ang adlaw nimong natawhan?
When is your birthday? Kanusa ang adlaw nimong natawhan? To answer this question, we'll give you an example. My birthday is on June the 14th, 1987. Translates as,
June 14, 1987 ang akong adlaw nga natawhan. June 14, 1987 ang akong adlaw nga natawhan. Or, to make it easy, June 14, 1987 ang akong birthday. June 14, 1987 ang akong birthday. The latter one is the most used one.
my birthday is on June 14, 1987. June 14, 1987 ang akong birthday. Again, in this example, you can hear English numbers and months because it is very common for Filipinos to use that system. Another common question you can ask is, what are your hobbies? Translating this phrase becomes,
Unsay imong mga hilig? Unsay imong mga hilig?
what are your hobbies? Unsay imong mga hilig? A reply to this question could be,
Ang akong mga hilig kay musayaw ug mukanta. Ang akong mga hilig kay musayaw ug mukanta.
which means my hobbies are dancing and singing. Ang akong mga hilig kay musayaw ug mukanta. Moving on from there, another common question is, are you married?
In Bisaya, that is, minyo na ka? Minyo na ka?
Are you married? Minyo na ka? You can respond to this question by using either two of these phrases. Yes, I am married, which is,
Oh, minyo na ko. Oh, minyo na ko.
alternatively, you can say, no, I am still single, which is,
Dili, single pa ko. Dili, single pa ko.
no, I am still single. Dili single pa ko. If you answered yes to the last question, a follow-up question could be, do you have children? Translating into Bisaya becomes,
Naa na kay mga anak? Naa na kay mga anak?
do you have children? Naa na kay mga anak? And to respond to this question, you can respond with yes, which is,
Oo. Oo.
yes, oo, or o. Alternatively, you can answer with the following phrase,
Wala pa ko'y mga anak. Wala pa ko'y mga anak.
which means in English, I have no children. Wala pa ko'y mga anak. If you have children, the next question would generally lead on to, how many children do you have?
Pilay imong mga anak. Pilay imong mga anak.
How many children do you have? Pilay imong mga anak. And an example answer is,
5 akong anak. 5 akong anak. Or you could just say, 5 akong anak. 5 akong anak. 5 means 5 in Bisaya, and both are acceptable.
I have 5 children, 5 akong anak, or alternatively, 5 akong anak. We've also covered numbers in another video, so if you're interested, we'll leave a link in the video and that could be a next video to have a look at. A very common question people like to ask is what you do for your job. So our next question is, what is your job?
In Bisaya, we say, unsay imong trabaho. Unsay imong trabaho.
What is your job? Unsay imong trabaho? An example answer to this question is
Maestra ko or teacher ko.
which means I am a teacher. Maestra ko or teacher ko. Feel free to swap out teacher with the job that you do. You can also use English if you don't know the Bisaya word and Filipinos will understand you. And the last question we'll teach you is, what is your favourite food? Translating that phrase becomes,
Unsay imong paborito nga pagkaon? Unsay imong paborito nga pagkaon?
unsay imong paborito nga pagkaon? And one reply you could use is,
Lechon manok ang akong paboritong pagkaon. Lechon manok ang akong paboritong pagkaon.
in English, that is, roasted chicken is my favourite food. Lechon manok ang akong paboritong pagkaon. Like the last example, guys, simply take out lechon manok, which is roasted chicken, and replace with a food of your choice. Now we've been through some sample questions and answers. Let's see if you can answer the questions we will ask you. We'll give you a few seconds to answer before showing each answer.
Are you ready?
So the first one, Hi, kumusta ka?
Okay lang ko.
Second question, unsay imong pangalan?
Ako si Reancy.
Third question we have for you is, taga-asa ka?
Taga-Amerika ko.
Pilay imong edad?
23 anyos na ko.
Our fifth question, unsay imong mga hilig?
Ang akong mga hilig kay magluto o magbasa.
And our last question is, unsay imong trabaho?
Dentista ko. Well, that covers our today's lesson for basic introduction. I hope you learned something today.
What do you think, guys, of our interactive videos? Do you prefer them, or do you prefer it when we just teach you phrases? Let us know in the comments section below. Don't forget to put a like on our videos if they give you any value, and if you're new around here, please consider subscribing as well. With that being said, have a great day.
See you in the next one.